こんにちは。おはようございます。Space from the fridge now.
So, video. Okay.
幅がない。せーの。はい。はい。ほらいい。よし。よし。こちら。はい。はい。押します。で、今回。
系なんで、もうちょいこっち持ってこっち出そうか。
持って。せーの。はい。で、
まで。うまそうかなそう。
はい。
OK ですか？いいですか？
ありがとう。
はい。
OK。
よし。
Thank you very much.
はい、わかりました。
ここにサインもらえますか。
Thank you.
はい、You're welcome。あとこちらNo accident. Okay.
Let me check.
No trouble.
You speak English?
No.
No. I feel happy.
You're happy.
Yeah, I'm happy.
And yeah, here.
These are mine.
It's yours.
These are yours.
These are yours. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you. Kamsha.
Bye.
Matane. Bye. Bye. Matane no. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Arigato. Have a nice day.
You too. Okay, so I just got my new fridge. It's about 40,000. Yeah. So no damages, no nothing. It has the alarm detection, so if you leave the fridge open, then it will make a alarm. And this is the freezer. I actually bought this space for the freezer space because the last time when I bought this size fridge, the freezer space was not so much, so I changed to this brand just for the freezer space. Some more ice cream, more meat, you know, and more preserving of my food when I cook it, especially my soup. So yeah, this is the new fridge, and so far I am elated at finally getting the fridge and the washing machine in the apartment. Yeah, so this is it. And as you can see, I've been eating a lot of KFC. So yeah. So this is Iris.